Hello guys, today we are bringing the new power bank from Blavor. This is a 20,000 power bank. It's also a solar bank and it's dust proof and waterproof. At the first impression we have the manual, maybe from the company, the welcome guide, and we have a cable, a charging cable, Type C to USB. It's a very common cable. Also, we have a hook, some silica. We have the power bank itself. At the first impression, it's a very solid. We have the solar panel at the front. At the top, we have a LED light. Oh, this is pretty good. Also, we have SOS and a fast mode. At the side, we have like a power button. At the top, also we have the ports. We have a fast port, a regular USB port, a Type C port, and a micro USB 3.0. At the bottom, we have a hook, maybe to get it on our back. If you have a backpack or something like that, you can put them. And we have a compass on the side, and in the back we have the wireless charging port. We have a light on the top. Maybe if we try with an iPhone. Okay, we are working. We have 64 charge and working, so very good. Well guys, this is everything for today. I hope you like it. This is a very solid and heavy. This is very good, guys. Okay, so we'll see you in the next one.